Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Rentman Action Automation for Workflow. Once you are in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, click on it. Click on Install, choose an account where you want to install the app, and click on Continue. Navigate to Allow and Install and click on it. A page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, click on Settings, search for the custom menu links and click on it. Then you head over to Create New. Here you choose an icon, you give a title and you paste the link here. Then you give a sidebar preference and you select an account where you want to install the app. Then you give a role-based visibility. We can go for all. Then you click Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to the account, click on it, and the first interface of the app is going to pop up. Search for the app and you head over to Connect. Then you have the second pop-up. You have all the necessary features such as the documentations, and it's going to help you to begin your journey with this app. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up here. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API to complete the app setup. Let's head over to the account you've created online. Click on Settings, head over to Account, click on Integrations, then head over to API, click on Connect, then you click on Show Token, copy a token and you close. Head over to your account and you paste. Then click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a live call with the support team. We have the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.